You can use QT1833 bearing cup installer to drive in or press in 100mm taper bearing cups. Place the bearing cup in the hub. Position your QT1833 cup installer on the cup. Use a QT1100 series driver handle and a 2 to 3 pound hammer to drive the cup in until it is fully seated. You should hear a change in tone of the hammer impact and feel or see a slight bounce back of the hub and installer when the cup is fully seated. To install a bearing cup with a hydraulic press, first position your hub on the press bed. Next, place the bearing cup and QT1833 installer in the wheel hub. If needed, put a sturdy spacer between the press ram and installer. Press in the bearing cup until it is fully seated. Retract the press ram. Remove the spacer and QT1833 installer. This step is now complete. Check for any minute chips from the installation process and clean as needed. QT1833 also works great for removing or installing large ball bearings. Depending upon the gearbox configuration, QT1833 can be used to install ball bearings up to 100mm in diameter and remove 100 to 110mm ball bearings. QT1833 is a USA-made tool made from high-strength steel. QT1833 design features include: the tool body is tapered to match the bearing cup. A lead chamfer eliminates a sharp edge that could damage your bearing cup. The QT1833 has a full 360 degrees of contact with the edge of the bearing cup, so it will not damage either your cup or the hub. Flat backside with radius edge for removing or installing ball bearings. A 5/8 inch hole with chamfered edges for attaching the tool to driver handles. The matching bearing cup for QT1833 is TK11836, or it's also available in the set TK30642. Applications include 2019 and up Ram 3500 dual rear wheel pickup with the high output Cummins engine, and also 2020 and newer Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 3500 dual rear wheel trucks.